When any object is thrown upward direction, its weight would be. Answer changeable. The working principle of a washing machine is. Answer centrifugation. The time period of pendulum depends upon. Answer length. The light of shortest wavelength is. Answer violet. Rocket works on which of the following principles? Answer energy conservation. Jet engine works on the principle of. Answer linear momentum. The weight of a body is. Answer maximum at the poles. A body weight is highest in which among the following? Answer hydrogen. The weight of any substance should be maximum in. Answer vacuum. When the ice melts, then its volume. Answer decreases. In wind power, which form of energy is converted into electrical energy? Answer kinetic energy. Where ice floats on water. Answer density of ice is less than water. The separation of cream from milk churning is due to. Answer centrifugal force. The escape velocity of Earth is. Answer 11.2 km per second. The floating of cloud in atmosphere is due to the region of. Answer viscosity. Waves used for telecommunication are. Answer microwave. Sound waves do not travel in. Answer vacuum. Room can be cooled. Answer by releasing the compressed gas. The sunlight from the sun to the earth reaches in. Answer 8 minutes. Which of the following color has the longest wavelength? Answer red color.